when you say 2 or 3. Agree? Indeed, you look good and we came to party, but I don't wanna waste my time. I'll waste your time. I'll waste your time. I'll waste our time. Baby, it's alright. Baby, it's alright. Baby, it's alright, yeah. Oh, it's alright now. Alright. Oh, yeah, that's my time. No, I don't wanna waste no time.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on.
Good morning, y'all. It is a Thursday, and basically I'm doing like a mental back to school reset, if that makes sense. I feel like I need just a reset, and I did like a summer reset, but it was more like looks. So this time we're focusing on like mental health and things like that. Going into the school year is definitely a lot, and I don't want to be like bombarded with a bunch of just everything at once. I want to slowly move into it just because I feel like it'll make me feel better about the whole thing. So today we're basically preparing our mental for back to school, which I feel like I'm not gonna like tell you to do this, but like I feel like it's needed for everyone, especially people my age, because you have so much other things going on besides school. Halo glow. I feel like I always need a reset, and this is just my self-care before the school year starts. I start school a lot earlier than a lot of other people, so these back to school videos are gonna go by super fast. I recently, well actually yesterday, I did my hair on my own, and that was just like an accomplishment. The fact that I could do it on my own really just like boosted my confidence, maybe. It is 7:59. I have to go to school and take exams for the summer courses that I've been taking because I'm finally done. So I kind of need to head on to school. Alright y'all, I am back home from my exams. They were like kind of easy. I'm really glad that I took the summer courses just because I don't have like a bigger load on me in my later high school years. I took economics and government, and that is a 12th grade class in my state or whatever, but I took it the summer going into 10th grade year, which is this summer. So I know next summer I'm gonna try to do like a core class online in the summer, so I could just narrow my classes down that I would have to do later on in my high school career. Freshman year there were definitely lessons to learn, but I feel like I've learned them, so don't try to teach me again, please. If I keep my head on straight, I feel like this year will definitely be a breeze, but that's if I keep my head on straight. I'm really excited for this year, but I also know that YouTube is gonna like slow down a little bit, so I'm just trying to prepare for that also. I'm gonna try to be as consistent as I can, but when I get in school, it's just like a lot more going on than obviously being in summer and being out of school all day every day for like, well, this summer was 6 weeks, so I love crimping my hair, but I cannot wear it like regularly crimped. Like I have to brush them out. I hate the look of new crimps. Also this year I got a new backpack, which is like, I'm happy because like I've had the same backpack for 3 school years. There's nothing wrong with that, but mine was, the zippers were broken, the inside was torn up. I just needed a new one. And I just want y'all to know, watching these back to school series and back to school videos of all these people buying expensive things, that is not what you need to do. I was listening to this podcast, and basically what I learned from it is like, don't envy people on social media, because most of the things on social media is fake. Even me, I still have to tell myself, like, these people don't go to school, they homeschool, they have time for all of this, but I don't, because I do these other things. I go by believe 10% of what you hear and 0 of what you see, because stuff is easily edited and perceived some type of way, and actually in reality the whole opposite. For example, I grew up in taking my kids shopping at Target and they can buy anything that can fit in their hands. In reality, those people were either getting sponsors, filming the video and then putting everything back after they filmed the video, or buying this stuff and returning it. And I had to learn that, like, I had to be told that. And also these people on YouTube, even if they are buying this stuff and keeping it, these people have, like, the people I watching have over 1 million subscribers. Their brand is doing challenges like that. That's an investment for them. So with all that being said, I just wanted to tell y'all, like, don't compare yourself to somebody on the internet, because things are never as they seem. From 8 until 8, I think about you.
I gotta pull up on you. You gon' make me have to pull up about you, and I'm still about you.
But
I just tell her to scare me. I was in love 2 years ago and gave the baggage to my ex. That's all for her to carry.
so we're at the acai bowl. Is that music playing? But I got regular acai bowl with granola, honey, strawberries, and bananas. The last acai place we went to, it was like kind of expensive. I don't know. I think this one was a little bit cheaper, but we'll see if it's better or not. Alright, so we got our acai bowls. Oh yeah, it is on the top. So that's on the layers.
Daybreak, Waylay.
We left the place and it was good like the first like 2 seconds, but it was kind of watery after that, and I don't eat fast, so it was just kind of like a drink after a couple of minutes. For the most part it was good. We're about to go to the park right now. I'm gonna just do a couple of things that I have to do. my book. It's pretty good so far. Yeah, I don't want to get bit up by these fire ants. I think I'm allergic, so. Target right now. I just finished a part of my back to school shopping video. I'm about to do the other part, but it was like hard. Like my hygiene shopping video was way easier than that, just because there were like a bunch of kids jumping around and stuff. So hopefully it comes out right. But I'm gonna pick up a journal from in here. Night routine video, and I kind of want it. I came back here just to look at it, so obviously I kind of want it, but I think I have, if this fits tight, I have something like it now. I don't want to keep getting the same thing over again, but I kind of don't want black because I have too many black clothes, but I also need like clothes I could just sit at home in, because that's mostly what I do. At home, I wear the same things over and over again. So I think if I get some cute sets, then I'll be cute. Hey guys, I'm in Barnes & Noble right now. I'm looking for a Bible, a more like simplified Bible, girls Bible, because I'll basically explain it later, but that's what I'm looking for. I got home actually a while ago. I just finished filming the rest of my video. I'm so excited for that video, like real life. Like, I feel like y'all are gonna like it. But anywho, I just wanted to show y'all what I got from Target that wasn't in that video. I basically got just this pink. I wanted to start journaling. I wanted to start journaling for like a couple of years. But it was like I never could write down my thoughts, but I could draw them. Like in my head, it's more of like pictures more than words. So I just decided to buy the journal and like draw in the journal. I could still write in here goals and stuff like that, but also it's kind of like more like a diary. It's not like, it doesn't have a locket and a key, so I will be journaling later. From Barnes & Noble, I went there to get a Bible, and I've been wanting a Bible for a while. I just couldn't find the right Bible for me, just because I didn't want like a regular Bible. I wanted kind of like not simplified, but like something cute that'll make me want to read it. every day. I kind of want to like be more in touch with God, just because I kind of been living my life without my like religion for a while, so I don't know how to really explain it. Alright, y'all, my camera fell on the floor, so I had to have a quick intermission. But yeah, I was basically talking about how I just wanted to get back in and get back in touch with God. And I really like, sometimes you just sit there and you're confused, but you just have to, I don't know, take matters into your own hands and kind of guide yourself back to the right way. So basically, I got this Bible. It's from the Old Testament to the New Testament, the whole story. But it's like a coloring Bible, if you know what I mean. So like every page that I finish, I color. And the coloring is like a summary or the lesson of the page. What this whole page is talking about, not like coloring is like on every page, but it's on most of them. And new time words instead of the original writing, so you could have a better understanding. And then it just starts, and as you can see, there's like drawings on the side, and it just continues. It's not on every page, but it's on a lot of them. Oh, I'm sorry, I missed a page. These pages are thin, so they do remind you of the original Bible, but yeah, it has the Old Testament right here. You can color that. And then this page has a drawing. And then this page has a drawing. But it's kind of just like the end lesson of each. And then there's space for notes. And then, yeah, it's just like quotes and stuff. I do plan on reading this from front to back, and probably like a page or two every day. I also will continue to read like my other fictional books, but I will incorporate this into my everyday. Today I'm gonna read probably a page or two. I have a little more time, so maybe more than a page or two. And then I'm just gonna journal a little bit to kind of set the tone for the reset and the peace. And if I keep this up through the whole school year, then I always have an outlet instead of somewhere else and something else.
The gallery open to 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know, dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side.
Hey y'all, it is time for me to go to bed, and I just want to kind of reflect while I'm getting ready for bed. I feel like today's reset was very, like, I don't know, successful. It was definitely eventful, and I feel better after doing all of these things, knowing that if I continue them, I would be more successful and more planted. Because the reason why I did this video is because I'm gonna just open up y'all for a minute. The reason why I did this video is because I was in like a slump. Like, I was like getting to the point where I would sleep most of the day, but I would be awake all night, because that's just when I get my quiet time, and that's when I can ignore the kind of world. Other people could definitely tell, but it wasn't that obvious what I was doing. So I kind of wanted to reset, and it was just in time for me to go back to school. I go back in a couple of weeks, but it's already like everything's hitting me. And I'm kind of sad about it. Like, I miss like seeing my friends every day, but I'm kind of sad because I know once I get to the point where I'm kind of burnt out from school again, I'm gonna want it to be summer again. But my summer was really short. I hope everything goes alright in this school year. I still have like my back to school maintenance vlog and other back to school videos that I'm gonna post. But this is really just like a mental reset where I can mentally prepare, because it's always like physical, and it's always just, I don't want to say touche, but like touche. I want to be like a deeper person, and sometimes I am. It's just like when you get into that mode where you don't feel your best, well, me personally, I just put walls up, and so I'm not really like emotional or whatever anyone, but that never ends well for me. So I'm trying to be better at like expressing myself in different ways, and it doesn't mean that I have to tell everybody my business or things of that such, but just reflecting will make things like a little bit better. I haven't been waking up like this early the whole summer. The reason why I woke up this early was because I had that exam, but it's like 9 o'clock and I'm like about to like fall over, like tired, and I forgot how tired I usually am during the school year when I wake up at 5 a.m. and I'm going until I just crash. And I feel like this is that time to also prepare for that to happen again, but this time I can ease into it so I won't be like a big heavy hit. Because last year when I started school, I went to school, came home in the shower, and slept from like 4 to 5 o'clock the next morning. And that was just because, so I hadn't been in in-person school in so long, so it was just kind of hard on me. If I practice doing this now, then it'll be less of a hard hit on everything, including my mental health. So I just clock it in from my shower. I don't really put the wig band on anymore. I might put my bonnet on later, but I kind of don't like wearing anything on my head. Just because I get headaches a lot, so I just don't want to feel restricted. That's pretty much it for this video, y'all. I'm gonna go read my Bible, and thank y'all so much for watching. I will see y'all in the next video, and like, comment, and subscribe if you like the video, and I love y'all. Bye.
Chirp, 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 chirp. Woke up in the birds. Where you used to come and get me with the swerve. These days you gotta find time, even the night light. Work down 9. My car garage, full tank of the gas, but that don't mean.
Did me. She told me that those days were gone. Stay here, go have crazy. 'Cause I know she still thinks about me too. And it ain't no that I could be just friends with.